Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Health and Beauty with Eve Marie. Today I am going to be showing you guys how you can implement 2 drinks into your health regimen that will bring good health as well as weight loss, among some other pretty important things. So the first drink that I am going to be showing you how to make, I like to call it my Pain. It's ginger, apple juice, and I like to call it champagne because this is how I celebrate my good health. So, first I would like to show you the ingredients that you will need for this simple drink. You will need 5 pieces of ginger, cut pretty small. You will need some apple juice. I like this apple juice. You can get it filtered or unfiltered, but I think this is the best apple juice that, for me that I like. And you will need a strainer. And of course, you will need a champagne glass. And you will need some sort of blender. So we're going to get to mixing. First, you'll drop the 5 gingers into your blender cup. Shake it up pretty good because you see all of that at the bottom. Okay. You will need to pretty much fill this up. Close it up. And blend. Okay. Then you will open it. You will take your champagne glass and you will put your strainer over the champagne glass and you will pour until you reach the top. I love this drink. This is definitely a good way to get a boost in the morning. I love coffee, but sometimes I have to take a break from coffee and I just make my good health celebration drink. And this is the results. Cheers to good health. It's so good, guys. Trust and believe me. Now, the second drink I like to make, what I'm gonna do is just pour the rest of this in here because normally I would take two champagne glasses of this. And it's pretty damn good, guys. You have to try it and see. And this drink will keep your tummy, I'm not going to say flat, but I mean, for the most part, it will keep you from gaining a lot of weight around your gut. And as we know, our guts is very important. That's where we hold our immune system. So now that I've done that, I'm going to put this to the side. That for now. Okay. Now, for the second drink, this is what we will need. 2 small pieces of turmeric. Place that in the cup, and some pomegranate juice. Now, you only need 1/4 cup of this. Yep, 1 drink out of it. And you'll pour your pomegranate juice into the cup. Top it up. and
And I like to
blend.
call this drink my palm tea shot. You know why? Because I put it in a shot glass, and as you can see how good that looks. And you'll do the same for this. You'll put it in a shot glass. Let me just put that down a little. And you'll do this. Both of these drinks are very high in antioxidants, and they're overall good for your health, especially now with, all of the things that's going on in the world, far as with COVID and all. So you want to keep your immune system very healthy. So this is my palm tea shot, and you just slurp it down like a shot. And yeah, it will feel like a shot because you're going to be all hyped up, and it's better than liquor. Oh yeah. So those were the two drinks that I wanted to let you guys know about. Please be sure to try them. Let me know what you think. Did you have energy? Do it for a few weeks and let me know your results. I will be so glad to hear them. And if you have any questions, please be sure to comment down below. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me to bring more content to you guys. Health and Beauty with Eve Marie. Thanks for watching.